Yo, what's good, boys? It's your boy Banks. We're back with a brand new video. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about the Supreme upcoming drop. This Thursday, Supreme Times CDG is dropping. It's the first hyped Supreme drop that we've all been waiting for, week 4. Let me know if you're gassed down below as well. But yeah, we're going to be talking about how you can get it and just talk about it in general, guys. So yeah, Supreme Times CDG, week 4 Supreme drop. This next Thursday coming, so next week's Thursday. I don't know what the actual date is, but yeah, week 4. It's finally a collaboration with CDG. It's the most gassed up hype yet, I believe. So what have we got? We got the hoodie, we got a t-shirt, the first box logo. By the looks, I think you can see a coat, some jogging bottoms. It looks like a wallet. And the shoes are obviously coming in November, so we're not getting the shoes on this drop, boys. But right, so I'm going to tell you the estimated prices that these items are going to go up on the Supreme store for. So we've got the hoodie that are this is estimations, guys, just to let you know, for $168. I'm not sure what that is in pounds UK, but in $168. For the t-shirt, $54. For the coat, $368, and then $188 for the tracksuit bottoms and $148 for the wallet and the shoes. We might make another video about that in the future, guys. So that's the estimated prices that they're going to be going up on the store for. And obviously this is going to start really quick, guys. This drop is going to be incredibly hard to get. So if you've got a bot, then GG's to you, and rip to the people who haven't got a bot. But I'm going to show you some tutorials or a way that you might have a chance to get yourself this without a bot. So I'll go ahead and show you that in a second over on my computer. But I want to quickly talk about what I'm going to get, maybe, hopefully we pray. But yeah, if I can get the t-shirt, boys, I want to go for the t-shirt, the box logo for t-shirt. Boys, if I get that, actually, to be fair, anything, if I can get anything, I'm not even going to keep it for personal use. Because if you know, I copped this one, Supreme, in week 2, sorry, yeah, this was week 2. I didn't cop anything, literally, it was Friday today, yesterday. We didn't cop anything for week 3, guys. I choked that. I didn't really want anything anyway, but yeah, week 4, I'm going hard, boys. I'm up for splashing the cash. But yeah, if I can get any of it, I'll be happy. But I really want to get the t-shirt or the jumper, yeah. But yeah, if I get these products, I would not keep it for personal. I will go ahead and resell it. So if I get the box logo, people are estimating, well, I got told by one of my friends, Cassim, check his channel out, he's a bit of a legend, to be honest with you, but yeah, he told me that, I don't know if it was him who said this, but he estimated it might be able to resell for about £700. So if you're going to get it for $54, which is, I don't even know what that is, but let's just say 45 in UK pounds, right? 45 quid, and you can flip it for 700 or even less or maybe more. That's not like fixed, you know what I'm saying? That's just an estimate. He was guessing, we were just guessing, but it might even be, I might be way off, guys. So just, if I'm chatting gas, don't even worry about it. But yeah, if I can flip that for 700 quid and pay 45, that's a straight, like, that's gone, man. Like, I'm not even gonna unpackage it. Like, I'm gonna get it delivered to my house, keep it in the wrappers, and not even unbox it, boys. So yeah, that's basically my story. But I'm gonna go over and show you on my computer how you might, well, a way that you guys might be able to, this might help you guys out, but it might not 100% work, but it might help you out, guys. So let me go ahead and head over to my computer. Yeah, let's get it. Alright, guys, so now we're over on my computer. This is obviously my computer, as you can see. I'm going to show you a bit of a tactic how you can go ahead and get this without a bot. So this is with no bot, guys. I don't really have a bot. I know someone with a bot, but if I can get a bot, I will let you guys know. I really want to buy one, but I'm not sure. I'll let you know progress on that if I ever do get a bot. So little tips I got for you guys maybe to get this drop is if you use Google Chrome, make sure you log in. Just create an account and log in, and it will help you out. I don't really know why, but just log in and it will help you out a ton. And then what you want to do is make sure you got autofill on, guys. Autofill will save your life. I'm not going to bring it up now, because if I bring it up, it will show all my bank details and all of that Gucci stuff. So I don't want to go ahead and leak all my card details. But yeah, get autofill. And so basically what you want to do, guys, is, so it drops at 11 PM, right? So what you want to say is go on your phone or something. As soon as it turns 11 o'clock, on your keyboard or on your laptop, your keyboard, press F5. Look, if you press F5, guys, let me click on it. If you press F5, look, there we go. Literally, and again, F5, it refreshes the page. So If you press F5, it does it quicker, because if you have to go all the way up there, click it, and come all the way back down, I know it's literally like probably like a second in it, but it's just a bit more times better than no time, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I did when I caught mine. I know it wasn't really a big sellout, but yeah, press F5 to refresh the page. Obviously, you can go view all to look at all the products like this. That might take some time away, or you can just go ahead and go through these. It might be quite hard to find. I doubt it would be hard to find the t-shirt, but yeah, yeah, just go ahead. You can do it like this, and what you want to do is obviously click on what you want. Go ahead and add it to your basket. I'll just add this. I'm not going to buy it, but then you want to just go, literally, guys, instead of going view and edit basket, just go check out now. Literally just click out checkout now. It'll take you to this page. I'm not going to bring up all my details, but yeah, look, if you click that, you can press autofill, and that will bring up all my details and yeah, card details, everything, guys. So literally I've got to press F5, the product I want. So I'll show you again once more. So what you want to do, this is what you want to do. So when it drops, the CDG drop on week 4, click the product straight away, add it to, well, obviously add it to basket, check out now, click that, autofill them all, and you can go ahead and autofill all of that, and yeah, it will fill it all out, and just press proceed to check payment, and you're done, guys. That's probably the quickest way I've got. If you've got any quick ways, let me know down below. It'd be very, very appreciated. But yeah, that's the ways I would tell you guys to go ahead and try to copy it for yourself. So yeah, that's one of the fastest ways I know without a bot. But we might not even get a chance, guys, because the people with the bots might just sell it out in seconds. So yeah, nice one. So yeah, boys, that's pretty much it for this video. The CDG drop is going to be hella fire. I'm excited for it. Thursday, I don't think I'm working. If I'm not working, then I'm going for this all out, baby. If I can cop more than one, happy days, baby. I want to get that resale. So let me know if you're excited for it. Let me know down below what one you want to cop for yourself. Maybe if it's for personal, to resale, just because you're a hype beast, you want it. Just let me know, boys, because I literally do want to get this piece. Like, this is the first one I want to get proper. So yeah, I'm kind of excited for this one, boys. But yeah, that's the quickest way I just showed you that I've got. And yeah, so it's pretty quick, as you can see. Like, when I checked out this item, I checked out at like 11:02, I think it was, and that was me being slow. That was me being slow. It's because I had to put my my card details in. I missed the one code. But yeah, literally that was 2 minutes, well, I think it was 1 or 2 minutes past 11, and that was when I messed up. So yeah, hopefully the bots don't get a hold of all of these guys. So good luck to all the people without bots. Shout outs to all the people that have got bots. Hit me up, it would mean a lot. But yeah, guys, if you could quickly take 2 minutes out your 2 seconds even out your day to drop a like, that would mean a lot. Smash the big thumbs up button down below, hit that big red subscribe button, hit the supreme red subscribe button. You know what's good for some good luck. And yeah, join the army. We're going to keep grinding out these videos. I want to say appreciate everyone that's watching my yesterday's video, the Skeptors, how to get the Skeptors shoes. We're nearly on 100 views on that on the new channel. So yeah, shout outs to you brethrens. But yeah, it's been your boy Ben Banks at it again. Good luck for the supreme drop. I'll be back with another video in the next couple of days or so. But hopefully you get your results you want, boys. Enjoy and enjoy the rest of your day. I'm just rambling now, so I'm out of this place. So see you in a bit, boys. Cheers.